Okay, we are at Renaissance Hotel Brussels, room 228. Let's see. Just getting in the room now. It's got this here. Yeah, nice closet, some shelves at the bottom, some slippers included. You kind of have this bench when you come in. Cabinets and shelf space down there. There's actually a lot of space in here. Lots of cabinets and tons of drawers up ahead. Let's see. Little mini fridge. Got some water, a little vanity. Let's see what this bathroom is. We got a nice shower there with this Tokyo Milk brand. Nice, oh, that creaking is coming from the door there. Yeah, toilet. Let's see, a few towels there. Oh, and then yeah, there's a hair dryer, some towels down there. And in here, so looks like we got, there's that bathroom door going again. Yeah, looks like we have, I'm not sure there's any outlets by the bed at all, but it looks like they send some, they gave us some little chocolates as a welcome amenity. Nice nightstand, good place to sit. Yeah, not seeing any USB chargers, but there are a few EU style outlets around the room. A little Nespresso machine with some options there. And a bunch of drawers. Pretty spacious room, honestly. We just came from Paris too, where the hotel rooms are incredibly tiny, so this is a dramatic change. And haven't been outside to explore the neighborhood yet, but here's kind of how it is looking out there.